Hello friends, myself Jesslyn John. Today I will show you how to conduct our online examination through Google Classroom. For that, initially you need to log in to your Gmail account. Log into my Gmail account. Then under the Google Apps tab, you have to select Google Drive icon. Okay. Or you can directly log into Google Drive. Okay. Here under the Google Apps option, I am selecting Google Drive icon. Otherwise you can directly go to Google Drive. Okay. Google Drive option. After logging to Google Drive, you will get a window like this. Here on the left hand side, click the new button. Come down here to more option and select Google Forms icon. Okay. It's gonna open a window like this. You see here. Now here in the corner you can change the form name. Okay. Here I am giving my form name as Class 7 Computer. I am giving my name as Class 7 Computer because I am creating 7th standard question paper. Okay. After changing my form title, that is Class 7 Computer, I am here adding my form name as Monthly Examination July 2020. Okay. Then before entering my questions, I am changing this form settings as quiz. Only then students can enter their answers. So here we can see settings icon in the top right corner. Then we can select, we have to select settings option. Under this general settings, we have to select the option restrict to users in Good Shepherd Sunday School, and then next limited to one response. Okay. Then next section, that is presentation. If you want, you can edit or change this confirmation message. Here I am not changing this confirmation message. And then next is quizzes. Here you have to select this option, make this a quiz. Okay, only then students can answer this form. Then you have to select immediately after each submission. You have to select these three options. Okay. Then you have to save the settings. Okay. Next, I am giving my first question, that is name. Okay. Name, and I am selecting it as short answer. Make it as required. Okay. For every question paper we have to add name and class as the first questions. Okay. No need of adding points to this question. I'm writing, I have entered name and make it as short answer. Then select this required button. Okay. Next, in order to get next question, I am clicking this plus sign. Okay. After pressing this plus sign, I have to enter. Select your class. Okay, select your class. The answer I am giving it as multiple choice question. I have created 7th standard question paper. So I am adding first class as 7A. Then in order to get next option, I have to click this add option and 7b. Okay. No need of adding points to this question, and I mark it as required. Okay. Then next I am giving a title. Okay, here I am giving a title, that is multiple. Here I have given title as multiple choice questions. Okay, multiple choice question. Then I am adding my first question by clicking this add question button. Okay, this plus sign. Clicking this plus sign, I am adding my first question, that is which of the my first question, which of these number systems has only 2 digits. Okay, here my answer type is multiple choice. I am selecting multiple choice from this option. I am adding first option, that is decimal, and my second option, that is binary, and third option, that is hexadecimal. Okay, then I am assigning mark to this question. Sorry, hexadecimal. Then I have to click this answer key button to assign marks. Selecting this answer key button, and I am giving marks 1 mark for multiple choice question. Then next I have to select the correct option from this question. Okay, here correct option is binary, so I am clicking this binary. Okay, then I have to press this done button. Okay, clicking this done button. Okay, no need of mark it as required. Okay, then I am adding my second question, that is second multiple choice question. Which method is used to convert a binary number into decimal number? I am adding first option, that is division. Second option, multiplication, and third option, addition. Okay, like previous question, you have to give marks for this question, so I am clicking this answer key and I am assigning marks 1. Then I am selecting the correct option, that is multiplication, and pressing this done button. Okay, then next I am adding title state true or false. Okay, state true or false, and I am adding my first question, true or false. First question, it is 3 the base of hexadecimal number system is 7. Here again I have to select a multiple choice option, and I am adding first option as true, and second option already suggestion there, then you can select directly false, otherwise you can type false there. Okay, then I am giving answer marks 1 marks, and I am selecting answer false, and I am pressing done. Okay, and I am adding my next type of question. Next I am adding my fourth question, that is select binary number. Our fourth question, that is select binary numbers for the following. Here in order to select a more number of answers, we have to give answer type as checkbox. Okay, multiple choice question we will get the provision to select only one option. Now to select more number of answers, we can give option as checkbox. Okay. Here I am giving answers 2044 and 167 and 101 and 110. Okay, then giving answer key, that is points, 1 point, and selecting the options, 2 answers, then done. Okay, now it is not required to mark this option. Okay, then next type of question is paragraph type question. In order to enter the question answers, we have to give paragraph type question. Okay, for that we have to click add question. I am giving my fifth question as distinguish between octal and hexadecimal number system. Okay, here students has to write these answers in an A4 sheet paper and they have to upload the photo of that. Okay, so in order to accept files, we have to give the type as file upload. Okay, it is there. We have to give the type as file upload. Okay, then after selecting file upload, you will get a window pop-up box like this. You have to select this continue button. Okay, then you will get first option, that is allow only specific file types, no need of selecting that. Then maximum number of files, you can select up to 5 files. Okay, then maximum file size, we can set it as 100 MB, that is needed. Okay, that's enough. We can select it as 100 MB, and then I'm giving answer key, giving marks for this answer. Okay, I'm giving 5 marks for this question, and clicking done button. Okay, now I have created my question paper with 2 multiple choice question, 3 multiple choice question, 1 checkbox, and 1 question with file upload option. Okay, then no need of saving this file because it will be automatically saved in the drive. When I am closing this window, I am opening my Google Drive. Okay, in the Google Drive we will get the form we have created today. So in order to conduct online examination, we have to go to the Google Classroom. That is from select the Google Classroom. Here I am selecting this test class. And in order to post my question paper, I have to select this classwork. Inside this classwork, I have to press this create button and select quiz assignment option. Okay, quiz assignment option. Then I am giving title as monthly examination July 2020, and it will automatically gives you a Google Forms. So I am closing this form because I have already created a Google form. So I am adding that form, that is I have to press this add button and then select this Google Drive option. Okay, select a Google Drive. Inside Google Drive you will get your forms and other folders. So I am selecting this class 7 computer exam. So I am selecting this form and pressing this add button. Okay, then no need of selecting this grade importing, and then the right side I am selecting for which class I am conducting the exam. For example, I am conducting test class, and for all students points. Out of how much mark I am giving? 10 marks points. Then due date, if today is my exam, I am giving date is 2nd, time 9 o'clock. I am giving 9 o'clock. Okay, 10 o'clock I am giving. Then next I am giving the topic as monthly examination July 2020. Okay, I am adding here computer also for title. So I am giving computer monthly examination as the title and the topic as monthly examination July 2020. Okay, then I have added my Google Forms here, and I have selected day and date. Okay, if July 2nd is my exam day, I am selecting July 2nd, and in time I have to add here. Okay, in time I am adding here as 10 o'clock, and then assigning. Okay, by clicking we will get 4 options, that is assign, schedule, save draft and a discarded draft. Okay, assign means we are posting this assignment now itself. This schedule means we can schedule this assignment on any day or time. Okay, so and the next option is save draft. Save draft option is just saving, but we are not sending the assignment. Last one is discard, that means deleting this assignment. Okay, so and here I am adding this assign option. So my assignment is posted. Okay, now you will get this page, that is monthly examinations topic, and I'm selecting this. There is no students, so not getting any assigned or turned in work. Okay, this is the way how to post a question paper in our Google Classroom. Okay, thank you.